So question 112, sigma notation. Let's see how you got on with this one. The first thing I'm going to do to make sense of this question is to write down the first few terms. So the first term is when n equals 5. So u1, which is the first term, is 2 times 5 plus 3, which is 13. The second term, u2, is 2 times 6 plus 3, 15. And there's the third term. So we can see that we've got an arithmetic sequence here. The term-to-term difference is 2. So we've got an arithmetic sequence with A equal to 13 and D equal to 2. So we need to do something about the number of terms that we need in order to make up 325. Now, n is not going to be the number of terms because we're starting at the number 5. So I'm going to use a different letter for the number of terms. So I'm going to say that we've got k terms making a total of 325. So that means that k over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d, n being k in this case, the number of terms, is 325. When I multiply the brackets out, I get that, and then simplifying that gives me a nice little quadratic. Popping that into my calculator, cheating a bit, gives me those two values of k. They're both integer values, and we're looking for an integer value, but clearly minus 25. We can't have a negative number of terms in a sequence. So we can discount this value. We've got k is equal to 13. So we've got 13 terms. So what does that mean that n is then? If we've got 13 terms, well, n is 17, because we've got 5 here is the first term, so 6 will be the second term, and n equals 17 will be the 13th term. So n is 17. I hope you understood that. It's not straightforward. It's slightly different to most questions you'll see in an exam, but hope you found that interesting.